Here's how to set up your Counterfactual wallet on Loopring. So let's start by clicking on Create New Wallet. Enter the phone number or email address you'd like to register your account with. Enter the verification code that was just sent to you, and any invitation codes that you may have. And next, you'll see a quick description of what the Counterfactual wallet is. And if you swipe right, you can see that this is a way for you to try Loopring's Layer 2 wallet before you upgrade to the full smart wallet. And if you swipe right again, you can see that even if your phone is lost or stolen, or you accidentally delete the app from your phone, you can recover your funds, though this will incur a gas fee. And once you're ready, let's click Activate Loopring Layer 2 account. And next, you'll come to Choose Account to create. So you can either create the full smart wallet, which includes additional security options, as well as the Layer 1 portion, or if you'd like to try the wallet before you continue, click on Activate Loopring account, click Confirm, and you'll come to the Terms and Conditions. Give these a read before you continue. And now we're ready to activate our Loopring account. And to activate, we'll need to make a deposit to our wallet, which you can do either directly through your bank account or credit card, or if you have access to another Layer 2 account, you can use the transfer option. So let's click Buy with Card to deposit directly from our bank account. Next, let's select which country we're depositing from, which currency we'd like to receive, and how much you'd like to deposit. And once you're ready, click Proceed. Next, enter your email address and read and accept the terms and conditions of depositing directly from your account. Confirm your email address, and on the next page, you'll see your Loopring wallet address. And if you click Proceed, you can choose how you'd like to deposit funds into your account. So click Card, and now you're ready to enter your details. And once you're done, and your deposit has been processed, you can load your Loopring wallet and see that your funds have been deposited. We're ready to activate and secure our Layer 2 wallet. And now, your Layer 2 wallet has been activated, and you're ready to use Loopring's Layer 2.